Okay, next on this seat, we're going to address a common problem that you'll see on these plane seats on the arm area, where the hands go, on the corners, in the shoulder areas, where narrow aisles are having everyone rub on these real hard or push on them with their hands. That contact with the hand here and in here leaves oil stains. It's very hard to refinish over those with the oil soaked into the leather. So we're going to use our 637 oil extractor. We're going to apply that. It's going to dry. We're going to remove it. Probably have to reapply it a second time. It takes about an hour or two for each layer to dry. Once that's done, I'll be able to remove all that, wipe it down, and prep it and refinish it like I will all the other areas. So let's do that now. I'm going to take some oil extractor and I'm going to lightly, well, with some pressure, I'm going to work it in. And you'll see it's going to start to clump up. That's okay. Just get it on there over the oil areas. You want it on pretty thick. You want it caked on there, like frosting on a cake almost. And you're going to let that sit. That's going to turn white and powdery as it absorbs the oil. The solvent in this product will drive the drying agent down into the oil, and then that drying agent will turn white and powdery after it grabs that oil. So we'll get back to that once it's dry. The oil extraction, the first step, it's done, and you can see it's turned white. If you look close and get in here, you'll see that the innermost part of this oil stain, it's still a little moist. It's a little more cakey, a little not as white. That's telling me that there's still oil present. So I'm going to blow this off, I'm going to brush this off, and I'm going to repeat it. It looks like the second application is all it's going to take. Sometimes it takes multiple applications to get the oil extracted, and that could take hours to days. But this one's going to probably just be a two-shot application. So. The second oil extraction is dry. I'm going to brush it off and blow it down, get all the residue off. I'm going to wipe it down with some 631 high-low cleaner to get off any of the powder that's left behind. Then I'm going to put a little bit of primer coat on it and finish it like the rest of the seat. 631 cleaner. Okay, to finish off these aviation seats, I'm going to use our product 060, which is a satin gloss high wear top coat. This is going to give excellent feel, excellent abrasion resistancy, scratch resistancy, and it's going to make it easier for future cleanings. 060 high wear top coat.